Through the years we have faced together, yung mga obstacles natin na may times na palala ng palala, it helped us to build the strong foundation for our relationship. It has shown me your unwavering love, constant support, and silent strength.
Hi baby, sino bang mag-aakala ng taong sobrang kinaiinisan ko nun ay makakasama ko habang buhay ngayon. Thank you for being there in the darkest time of my life, especially when Rian died. Thank you for always making me calm whenever I was pressured in life, and thank you for the pure love you've given to me every single day.
Umiyak ako nun kay mama. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Sabi ko, ako lagi akong top of the class. I have lot of medals. Pero wala si papa. Nakita ko na ni Dada umiiyak. Tinanong niya si mama kung bakit ako umiiyak. Tapos sinabi nga ni mama yung regarding nga doon. Talagang pinaramdam niya sa akin na andun siya, may dati ako. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung stepdad ko. Kasi talagang nandiyan siya parate.
Thank you, baby, for loving my fun and crazy family as much as I do. I promise to continue to challenge you to be the best version of yourself. I promise to make you laugh when you are taking your life too seriously. Kaya palagi kang stress.
Ang lalaking nagmamahal sa kanyang asawa ay nagmamahal sa kanyang sarili. Dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at silang dalawa ay magiging isa.
Siyempre kahit umulan, kahit nga seremony sa labas, uulan, tuloy pa din. Hindi ko lang alam kay Bride. Siyempre sayang ang makeup, mahal ang damit. Thank you.
Actually, first time I saw him, nainis ako sa kanya. Mahigpit kasi ako. Like, yung ibang crew, pag nakita na ako, like, ay, andiyan na si Ma'am Bianca, yung ano nyo, yung makatakin kayo, gano'n. Siya hindi. Hintayin niyo pa na ma-call out ko siya lagi. Thank you for everything.
Sunod sa akin noon, lalo nung bago pa ako, kada good morning ko, hindi ako pinapansin. Ayun, na-call din naman sa akin. Wala naman nagawa.
It is not Red's victory or Diane's defeat. It is not Diane's success or Red's failure. From now on, you are one.
Talagang willing siya mag-wait. Sabi ko parang di pa ako ready kasi after my past relationship, talagang sobrang ano siya. Hindi, okay lang, willing ako mag-wait, gano'n. Yun yung pinaparamdam niya lagi na willing siya mag-wait. Thank you, Lord!
Ngayon sa akin kasi, it's either na mapapa-oo ko siya o hindi. Bahala na, basta ako, ginagawa ko lang yung part na mararamdaman niyang gusto ko siya. So, ganun ko lang siya niligawan.
you are the person I choose to spend my forever with as my true soulmate and my true nemesis. I chose you in 2021. I chose you today, and I will continue choosing you forever. I love you, baby.
I promise to be a caring wife, a best friend, and a wise mother in the future. I will always be there by your side, and we will accomplish everything together. I love you so much, baby.
Hold on tight, it'll be alright. Come on and rise up, rise up. You're looking great, keep heading that way. Keep your chin up, chin up. When it all feels strange, you don't know what to say. Turn up your little light in the world. Oh, we're almost there. Can you feel it in the air? You're a fighter, a fighter. You're doing great, and it's a brand new day. So turn up your little light in the world. Oh, we're almost there. Can you feel it in the air? You're a fighter, a fighter.
At you may now kiss your bride.